Good afternoon, crafty friends. How are you doing? I have been wanting to make one of these little folios for a long time, and I just haven't had a chance to get to it yet. So finally I did. Lots of learning curves, of course. So I took two styles, and I can't remember, darn it, the lady that posted her tutorial on it. She did not use fabric, and I did, just because I wanted to use this fabric. It's pretty neat. But of course with that comes a whole bunch of problems. So let's just get into it. I just want this to be quick. One-handed, of course. So I really like the concept. It's very gorgeous. This did turn out. Having said that, when I make another one, I will be making some changes myself. So I found that I didn't leave a big enough crease here for when it closed. So if you wanted to bulk this up and put more tags or pockets in here, I found that this wasn't closing properly. And of course, there's this little beauty. Love the concept of them. And then this here is a cute little pocket made out of fabric. And then you can put, you know, pockets or store whatever. But once again, when I did this, I should have left it a little bit bigger for it to close, for it to be bulkier. And then if this is bulky, then of course, this isn't going to shut properly. So that would be just one little tweak that I would do. But I just love it. Let's see if I can do this. And also, I think I would flip this envelope up so that the window was up here. Because you have to have a great big long tag. Or you have to put something here to stop that tag from going down. And before I stitched it or closed it, I think I would put a piece of paper in there. This is all afterthoughts. And I just did this quickly. And then on this side, so I added this little, I'm sure you guys see my feet in the video. It's funny. I love it. So I added this little journal. And of course, it's the same deal. If you have a lot of pages, nothing shuts properly. And this does have quite a few pages in it. But it, of course, comes out. And then there's two little beads there. And I could have decorated that more if I wanted to. I think I'll make this pocket up a little higher the next time. And the same with this. Well, this isn't too bad, but I would flip the envelope. It's just junk mail envelope up to the top. And it's the same. The same deal with the envelopes. But I love the concept. And I like that it turned out. And then that there. And then you have a little thing there. So when I was doing this, of course, I was planning ahead as I was doing it. And some of this stuff has like 2 and 3 layers of paper on it. Because it's just the way that you put them together, and I never made one before. So the next time I really think about it before I put all the layers of paper in, like for instance, I had already used like a card, like a part of the file folder here, and then I added this on top. And so when I put the brad through, of course, you want to cover the back of it up. So I think I would have done that first and then put the blue piece on on top. So it's just lots of learning curves that, you know, it's different when you see it than when you actually sit down and make it. Yeah, but I think it turned out well. And I used this string. Let's see here. So this is just elastic string to hold the little journal in. I'm so sorry, guys. This is all one-handed. Too funny. I just wanted to get this out in videotape because it's going to its owner. And also, what else was there? When I did this, with the lady that did the tutorial, it was the owl something. She also cut out one of these tabs here, and I'm pretty sure that she attached the tab and then covered it with paper, and that was a step that I had forgotten to do before I sewed the fabric onto it. So then it would then when it's closed, and see the problem, because it's bulky and not enough space to close, and then it just has this big long thing. If you put that piece on, it breaks it up so it doesn't look, you know, like there's a chunk missing a little bit. But I really love it. Could easily make it into a wallet as well, so who knows. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that little folio. That's the first one that I made, and I definitely will be making more of them. I absolutely love it. They're pretty neat. I love it. So have a great day and see you around.